We're at the site of the new Cyrus Hotel that's being built here in the 900 block of South Kansas Avenue. It is Tuesday, February 14th, 2017. As you can see, work here being done to demolish buildings that are presently here in this location to make way for the Cyrus Hotel, which has been long in the works. And you can see here that the construction will soon be taking place as the demolition continues here this afternoon in the 900 block of South Kansas Avenue. Lots of dust here being generated by the demolition here of the buildings that were on the east side of Kansas Avenue here, just to the north of 10th Street. And again, this work being done on Tuesday, February 14th, 2017. Reporting from downtown Topeka, this is Phil Anderson for CJOnline.com.